How to track your bet in real time in 1xBet. First of all, open the 1xBet app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside, tap on the Bet Slip tab from the bottom bar. This section will show you all the bets you have placed, including live and settled ones. For real-time updates, focus on the bets that are currently marked as live or ongoing. These bets are actively being updated based on the events happening in the match or game. You can also see important details like your potential winnings, stake amount, and bet type directly from the bet slip. This helps you keep track of everything in one place without switching screens. Now, tap on any live bet to view more details. You will see the current status of your bet, the progress of the game, and the updated odds if they have changed. Everything updates in real time, so there's no need to refresh the page. And that's it. Now you know how to track your bet in real time in 1xBet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.